Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Learn and Practice. As you have seen the title, I came here with much current affairs questions. In every month, I upload 2 videos, but in this month, I could not. Sorry for that. That's why I arranged 70 questions from the whole month. So, examine yourself how much you can attempt correctly out of 70 and then write it down on comment box so that you can compare with the others. So let's start with the first question. Here is the first question. Which Indian village has become world's highest polling station? So the answer is Tashigang, which is situated in Himachal Pradesh. Next, which city topped the 4G availability chart in India? The answer is Dhanbad. Next, Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport has become the blank busiest airport in the world. What was the position of Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport? That is 12th position. Next, who has become India's first transgender election ambassador? The answer is Gauri Sawant. Name the first Indian shipyard which will deliver 100 warship. What will be the answer? The answer is Garden Rich Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited. In short form, it is called GRSE. Mainamati Maitree Exercise 2019 between Border Security Force and Border Guards Bangladesh held in which state? This is in Tripura. Next, which factory has become the world's largest rail coach manufacturer? The answer is Integral Coach Factory of Chennai. Next, which port has become the first Indian port operator to record more than 200 million metric tons cargo movement? So the answer is Adani Ports. Next, who has become the first cricketer to score 5,000 runs in IPL? The answer is Suresh Raina. Come to the next question. Who has been appointed as MD and CEO of ICICI Securities? The answer is Vijay Chandak. Next, recently which country president has resigned after nearly 30 years in power? Which country? The answer is Kazakhstan. What was the name of the president? Nursultan Nazarbayev. It is also important for any competitive exam. Next, who has been honored with Croatia's highest award? The answer is Ram Nath Kovind, who is the President of India. Next, which insurance company launched India's first policy to protect bank lockers? So the answer is IFFCO, Tokyo General Insurance Company. Next, which is the highest vulnerable state according to the Climate Vulnerability Index? The answer is Assam. Then second highest vulnerable state is Mizoram and the least vulnerable state is Sikkim. You have to learn all these three. Next, who has been conferred with the Pravasi Bhartiya Samman Award by the President of India, Ram Nath Kovind? The answer is Dr. Rajendra Joshi. Next, which country will host Under-17 Women's Football World Cup in 2020? The answer is India. Which Indian ship participated in Langkawi International Maritime and Aerospace Exhibition 2019? Sorry for the pronunciation, it may be different. The answer is INS Kadmat. Blank has received the Best Domestic Water Purifier Award for 2018-19. The answer is Kanth RO System Private Limited. Next, which has become India's second largest state-owned financial firm? The answer is Power Finance Corporation. In short, this is PFC. Who has become the first woman to win Abel Prize, which is related to mathematics. Abel Prize is given in the field of mathematics. So the answer is Karen Allenbeck. Wipro partnered with which institute for research in 5G and AI? AI means artificial intelligence. So the answer is IIT Kharagpur. Next, which three brands emerged as the top 3 Indian brands of 2019 according to a report published by Interbrand? The answer is Tata, Reliance and Airtel. According to SIPRI report, India is the second largest importer of weapons in the world. Which country topped the list? Saudi Arab. Which two Indian companies has been awarded the exploration rights for Abu Dhabi's onshore Block 1? The answer is Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited and Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Which city topped the Mercer's Quality of Living Survey 2019? The answer is Vienna. Next, which bank has been awarded the Best Bank Award by Tamil Nadu government? The answer is Indian Bank. Which country introduced world's first wireless electric car charging station? The answer is Norway. Next, which Indian airline has joined the International Air Transport Association, that is IATA? The answer is SpiceJet. Who will be awarded the prestigious Bodley Medal, the highest honor of Oxford University? The answer is Amartya Sen. Next, RBI slapped a penalty of how much rupees on PNB, that is Punjab National Bank, for non-compliance of regulatory directions with regard to SWIFT operation? The answer is rupees 2 crore. Who was sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Goa? The answer is Pramod Sawant. Recently, which bank has launched doorstep banking service for senior citizens and differently abled customers? The answer is SBI. Who has won the Best Director's Trophy in the 64th Filmfare Award? The answer is Meghna Guljar. Next, Union Railway Minister announced a new railway zone in where? The answer is Visakhapatnam, that is situated in Andhra Pradesh. Next, which country won the first prize in the category of TV cinema spot at the International Golden City Gate Tourism Awards 2019? The answer is India. World's largest e-waste recycling hub opened in which city? The answer is Dubai. Next, World Meteorological Day is observed on March 23. What was the theme for 2019? The answer is the sun, the earth and the weather. Next, Kazakhstan has renamed its capital Astana to what? The answer is Nur Sultan. Which bank secured top rank in the implementation of reforms agenda according to BCG-IBA report? The answer is PNB, that is Punjab National Bank. Who has been conferred with Global Teacher Prize for 2019? The answer is Peter Tabichi. A water conservation scheme, Jal Amrutha, was launched by which state government? The answer is Karnataka. Which bank got RBI Nod to acquire Gruh Finance? The answer is Bandhan Bank. Recently, Amateur International Boxing Federation, that is AIBA president, announced his resignation. What was the name of the president? The answer is Gafur Rakhimov. Which company received the award as one of the 2019 world's most ethical companies given by Ethisphere Institute, USA? The answer is Tata Steel. Who was appointed as the next chief of the Naval Staff? The answer is Vice Admiral Karambir Singh. Ola signed MOU with which state to implement smart traffic solutions? The answer is Telangana. RBI named which three banks as domestic systemically important banks? The answer is SBI, ICICI and HDFC. These are the very important questions. Come to the next question. According to World Happiness Report, India ranked at which position? The answer is 140th. 7th Guinness Book of World Record has been created by which department at Bharuch, Gujarat? The answer is Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities. Who topped Forbes list of world's richest sports team owners? The answer is Mukesh Ambani. According to Modi's Indian economy is expected to grow at how much percentage in 2019 and 2020? The answer is 7.3%. Third edition of Namaste Thailand festival held in where? The answer is New Delhi. Which district became the top aspirational district according to the Delta ranking report released by Niti Aayog? The answer is Assam's Hailakandi. Next, who has been appointed as the Director of BARC? The answer is Ajit Kumar Mohante. India has signed a deal with which country to produce 7.5 lakh AK-203 rifles? So, the name of the country is Russia. Which insurance company was awarded the coveted Golden Peacock Award 2019 for innovative product? The answer is ACKO General Insurance Company. Next, on WEF Global Energy Transition Index, India ranked at which position? The answer is 76th. Asocam has conferred Non-Life Insurer of the Year Award 2019 to whom? Bharti AXA General Insurance. Come to the next question. Who created Guinness World Record for longest single line bicycle parade? The answer is CISF, that is Central Industrial Security Force. Next, we have reached in 60th question. There are 10 more questions, so count carefully your score. If you are not aware of these questions, learn it from here. Or maybe you forgot any of this question, so you can revise it from here. Now, let's see the question. Which cuts India's GDP growth to how much percentage from its previous estimate of 7% for 2020? The answer is 6.8%. Next, Union Minister inaugurated Azadi Ke Diwani Museum at where? The answer is Red Fort, that is in Delhi. Which airport has been crowned the world's best aviation hub according to the Skytrax World Airport Awards? The answer is Changi Airport, that is in Singapore. Who was named the youngest self-made billionaire in the world by Forbes magazine? The answer is Kylie Jenner. Who has been appointed as Finance Secretary? The answer is Subhash Chandra Garg. Now this is the quiz question. Give the answer in comment box. Let me see how much of you can give this answer. So the question is, according to the Skytrax World Airport Award, India's Indira Gandhi International Airport ranked which position? As per the latest report by the World Gold Council, which country has the 11th largest gold reserve? The answer is India. Who was recommended to be the first Lokpal or anti-corruption ombudsman of India? The answer is Justice Pinaki Chandra Ghosh. Next. Google launched a new app to tutor children to read Hindi English. What is the name of that app? The answer is Bolo. Fourth Internet of Things India Congress will be held in where? The answer is Bengaluru. Next. Recently, which state CM Manohar Parrikar passed away? The answer is Goa. Manohar Parrikar was the CM of Goa. This is the last question. GOV announced a new rupees coin which will come in 12-inch polygon shape. So how much rupees coin? The answer is 20 rupees coin. So that's all for today. If you have any doubt, type on comment section. I will try to solve your doubt. And if you are new viewer, then subscribe the channel so that you will get notification after uploading every video. Thank you for watching.